Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up Facebook app, then go to menu, tap at of that gear to open up settings, and on this setting we need to tap here. It says see more in account center. After that go to profile. As you can see, I got two profile here, and in the first profile, that is actually my main profile, I have Facebook and Instagram account connected to each other. And now let me show you how we can easily disconnect them. So all we have to do is just open up that profile and then tap at Facebook or Instagram. Right here I am going to tap at Facebook, and all we have to do now on the step is just turn on option which is called sync profile info. Just tap on it, tap on stop syncing, and after a couple of seconds it will go back to profile. We can see that now I have three different profiles, and each profile has Facebook or Instagram account, and that means that one of these accounts are actually connected on each other. So by this way you can disconnect Facebook from Instagram. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.